The all-new 2020 Supra key. Luxurious. Unique. Very, very similar to BMW key. Let's go take a look. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Pedro here with another video, and today we're going to be reviewing the nice 2020 Supra GR. We're going to be doing a quick walk around, do an overview on interior features as well as exterior features and a startup. Without further ado, let's go ahead. So let's give this new 2020 Supra a spin. So nice.
I like it, man. It's very nice. The seats are incredible.
Yeah, comfortable?
Yeah.
See yourself driving this as daily?
Sounds nice.
Give her a nice rev. As you guys can see, this is a nice Supra GR. Giving her a nice little rev. Sounds so nice. Oh yeah. As you can see, the interior of the new 2020 Supra GR has a lot of familiarity with BMW Z4. BMW and Toyota did a collaboration together in terms of this Supra. But honestly, all I can say is I really love this interior. I think it looks very, very sexy. It's very clean and simple. We've got some nice carbon fiber here on this interior. You've got all your controls here, nice and simple. You've got your infotainment system here, which is nice. Very similar to BMW's infotainment system. You've got premium JBL sound system right here. You've got these nice speakers. You've got this nice metal handles here. Got some nice piano black with a little bit of gray metallic look. Got the leather steering wheel. Got some nice white stitching. Beautiful. All in all, you've got some nice premium black headliner. Looks very, very sporty all around the vehicle. Use really good high quality material, as well as the seating. Super clean. Guys, I think this is really, really nice. Regardless of what everyone else thinks, I think Toyota and BMW did a nice collaboration here with the Supra. Comment your thoughts below. What do you think of the new Supra? Would you get the Supra? Is this something you drive? Would you see yourself driving this? Comment it below. Love to hear from you guys.
gas me. I'm not feeling it, baby, I let her gas me. Her ass fatter than fat, and she got good throat. Sit that cat on my lap, I give it good strokes. I might have to fly out.